injury. Question 1. In a suspected case of prostatic enlargement, BHP, which one of the following procedure is likely to confirm the diagnosis? किससे confirm होगा BHP का diagnosis? यूरिन एग्जामिनेशन से नहीं, रेक्टल एग्जामिनेशन से नहीं, अल्ट्रासोनोग्राफी से यस, मेजरिंग वाटर इनटेक एंड आउटपुट ऑफ द यूरिन नहीं, इसका कोई रोल नहीं है, तो आंसर है राइट सी. Note, in a suspected case of prostatic enlargement, ultrasonography is the most suitable procedure to confirm the diagnosis out of the above. Urine examination has no value in suspected case of BHP. Rectal examination is an important procedure to confirm the enlarged prostatic gland. However, if the median lobe is only enlarged, then it may not give us a fair idea. The ultrasonography examination is a non-invasive and better technique that gives the comprehensive idea about prostatic enlargement in its different lobes, total volume and post-residual urine in the bladder, which guides us for a better treatment planning and further evaluation. Similarly, input and output chart have no scientific validity for judging the prostatic enlargement. However, the transrectal ultrasonography remains the most accurate method of staging the local disease. It can be used in early detection of tumors in screening program. Local disease can be diagnosed with increased sensitivity by TRUS as compared to rectal examination. Next question number 2. Subdural hemorrhage is commonly because of rupture of. किस चीज़ के रप्चर से सबड्यूरल हेमरेज होता है? एंटीरियर सेरेब्रल आर्टरी नहीं, मिडल सेरेब्रल आर्टरी नहीं, पोस्टीरियर सेरेब्रल आर्टरी नहीं, सबड्यूरल साइनसिस, ड्यूरल साइनसिस. राइट आंसर है डी. It can occur due to head injury and caused by rupture of dural sinuses or small veins between the dura meter and arachnoid meter. Significant subdural hemorrhage is caused by rupture of superior cerebral veins. The cerebral hemisphere moves along with the lower part of superior cerebral veins, whereas upper part of these veins are fixed to the superior sagittal sinus into which they drain. Next question number 3. Which one of the following structure in the neck is most likely to be mistaken for a carcinomatous lymph node? Sternomastoid tendon नहीं, laryngeal cartilage नहीं, thyroid gland नहीं, greater cornu of the hyoid bone. इसको मिस्टेक कर देते हैं कार्सिनोमेटस लिम्फ नोड के लेके. क्यों? क्योंकि ये थोड़ा सा टेंडर सा होता है. पढ़ेंगे आगे एनाटॉमिकल कंसिडरेशन. अब इसके बारे में जानते हैं क्यों. The hyoid bone lies in the anterior midline of the neck between the chin and the thyroid cartilage. At rest, it lays at the level of C3. It has three parts: body, greater cornu and lesser cornu. A carcinomatous lymph node is fixed and has a bony consistency. Therefore, the most probable mistake which could take place while palpating the lymph node is submandibular area and mistaking a firm mass which is in reality is greater cornu of the hyoid bone. Question number 4. A patient with a history of peptic ulcer presented with sudden onset of severe pain in upper abdomen. Routine blood examination and straight X-ray of abdomen showed. क्या दिखाई दिया इसमें? मार्क टेंडरनेस ओवर अपर एब्डोमेन नहीं, ये नहीं दिखेगी. एब्सेंस ऑफ वॉवल साउंड्स, ये भी नहीं दिखेगा. ल्यूकोसाइटोसिस, ये भी नहीं दिखेगा. गैस शैडो अंडर द डायफ्राम दिखेगा 4. तो कौन सा सही है? ए 1 and 2 ये दोनों नहीं, गलत. बी 1 and 3 ये दोनों भी नहीं, गलत. सी 4 ओनली, यस. राइट आंसर है इसका सी. Answer C. Patient with history of peptic ulcer with severe pain in abdomen, whether the blood perforation is confirmed on radiological findings, gas shadow under the diaphragm. Next question number 5. Which of the following is diagnosed by employing angiography? एंजियोग्राफी से कौन सी चीज़ इनमें से डायग्नोस्ड होती है? एंजाइना, blockages of coronary arteries, myocarditis, pericarditis. Right answer है इसका B. From the above, blockage of coronary arteries is diagnosed by employing angiography. The angina, myocarditis and pericarditis cannot be diagnosed by coronary angiography. However, it is the blockage of coronary artery which will show its position and extent of obstruction. The answer suggested is B. Blockage of coronary arteries.